Hey guys, so I just got in the EVGA 3090 Ti and have just installed this, and obviously I went to the most demanding game that you can find out there, which is Cyberpunk 2077. I have my little, I guess, indicator or gauge down here to benchmark as I'm playing the games. And right now on the loading screen, you can see that the GPU load is 30% and the temperature is at about 66 degrees. This is inside of an NZXT case with, all the little fan running and everything. So it's running at performance level. So just an FYI on that one. But yeah, right now the game is still loading. GPU load, wow, fluctuate 65 to 31. Okay, 74. So now let's get right into it. Okay, so now everything's loaded up. Again, GeForce 3090 Ti. GPU load is 60%-ish. And the temperature is keeping cool and nice. Walking around here, let's see. And by the way, I have this thing on max setting. Let me just show you the setting on this. Graphic. It's pretty much on custom. And motion blur is high. Everything is on high. Shadows, I don't think you can go any further on these. And then there's some ultra setting with the cloud quality and all that good stuff. So yeah, it's pretty much ray tracing light. We got this on psycho. Everything's turned on. Everything is on. All right, so let's get back in there. So as you can see, this is running, by the way, on a 4K monitor. So not sure how it would turn out on a phone camera, but yeah, this is a 4K monitor running at 4K. So if you look at the texture quality right here at the box, it's nice looking. GPU load is 60%, 70% now. 76% GPU load. So yeah, look at the drawing distance. I mean, you can see that right there. The reason why I'm recording this on handheld instead of just doing screen record, which you can pretty much see screen recordings anywhere you want. I wanted to show you like what the actual GPU is and see what I see, rather than computer, just a recording of a rendering. So yeah, let's have a look around some more. You can see the drawing distance right there. Pretty powerful stuff. You can see his texture right there as rendering. That's beautiful. I have to say, this is one of those things where I'm looking at my camera monitor here, and I think it looks better in real life. Those texture looks a lot better. So yeah, just trying to show you the GPU load right here. GPU load hovering around 70%. Very demanding. And it's fine. There's no hiccup or anything at all. Obviously my CPU is actually a pretty good one as well. So that probably has a lot to do with it. I have 64 gigs of RAM in here, so see right there. let's just have a look around right here. Yeah, so this is on max setting right here, guys. I hope you guys find that useful. My GPU is loading at about 70%, and the temperature is staying around 74%. I don't have the best cooler in there, so that's how it is right there. This is literally just a build straight out, you know, buying stuff on Amazon and just putting it together. That's all it is. So I hope you guys find this useful. 3090 Ti. Obviously, you know, that's overkill for, you know, just playing games. But if you do video editing and stuff like that, I think that's a 3090 Ti is a great deal. So anyway, that's it for me.